Ready to supercharge your marketing by effortlessly moving customer data between Pabbly and Aisensy. First, make sure you're logged into both your Pabbly Connect and Aisensy accounts. In Pabbly Connect, we'll start by creating a new workflow. Give it a descriptive name like Pabbly to Aisensy Contact Transfer to keep things organized. Now, let's set up the trigger. This is the event that will kick off our automation. Choose the app that holds your contact information. In Pabbly, this could be Pabbly Form Builder, Google Sheets, or any other app containing the contact details you want to transfer. For this example, let's say our contacts are in a Google Sheet. Select Google Sheets as your trigger app. Then choose the trigger event. We'll select New Spreadsheet row, so any new contact added to the sheet will automatically trigger the workflow. Connect your Google account and authorize Pabbly Connect to access your Google Sheets. Select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet containing the contacts you want to transfer. Once connected, Pabbly Connect will fetch a sample row of data from your sheet. Time to add the action. Search for Aisensy within Pabbly Connect's app library. Select Aisensy as your action app. Choose the action event as Add Contact. This will tell Pabbly Connect that we want to add the contact information we received from our Google Sheet to Aisensy. Connect your Aisensy account by providing your API key. You can find this key within your Aisensy account settings. Now, the crucial part: mapping the fields. Connect the data from your Google Sheet to the corresponding fields in Aisensy. For example, map the name column in your sheet to the name field in Aisensy, the phone number column to the phone number field, and so on. Once you've mapped all the relevant fields, click the test button to send a test contact to your Aisensy account. Check your Aisensy account to ensure the contact was added successfully. Finally, turn on your workflow. From now on, every new contact added to your Google Sheet will automatically be added to your Aisensy account, streamlining your communication and marketing efforts. Subscribe for more automation tutorials.